So if you look at customers world over, you will see that everybody is overnight on steroid. They want to achieve a lot of ambitious digital transformation goals. But come to think of it, the process of that decision making involves a lot of complexities. Purely because under the ambit of digital transformation, there are multiple subjects, be it process automation to cost cutting to your using of AI, ML, advanced analytics, and then going to the cloud. Then it involves a lot of security measures that you take, because this will involve in completely changing the landscape of threat and so on and so forth. So this subject has become a lot of complicated topic in every customer. We see our role as the one who would want to demystify these jargons and simplify this entire process of transformation within our customers. And hence we work with a lot of channel partners. We are helping them specialize, demystifying these jargons, clarifying what roles they need to play. We are giving them options. We are helping them specialize on multiple areas, asking them to choose their battles, specialize on a subject, asking them to go and choose a vertical and prepare themselves, developing solutions around there. The key theme is about taking up a battle and specializing in it. Our message to the channel is very simple. We see them as agents of change, and with the overarching theme of simplification of this entire process, we are asking them to specialize as much as possible on their chosen field. That could be in the area of cloud, and again in cloud there are a lot of topics. You can become a migration partner for one of very specific workloads. You can help create the data lakes and do data engineering on the cloud. You can provide advanced analytics. So it is the choice of the partners what they finally take up as an area of specialization. But the key message is take up an area and invest in that, and we are bending our back to help our partners in that journey. And our message again to them is take an area of specialization, choose one vertical. So it is all boils down to choosing a specific area or a vertical or a geography, and doubling down their investments on very specific areas. See, cloud is one of our key bets in this entire journey, purely because what cloud has achieved is something phenomenal. If you look at this subject of digital transformation, be it automation, be it very specific advanced analytics, AI, ML, and so on and so forth, these are very old subjects. For example, analytics is based on very advanced mathematical models, and these are not new. These models have been around for many years. What has changed is a huge computing power and speed of access. And what has brought this about very simply to the marketplace? It is about the hyperscalers and other cloud offerings who are making available their platform and a lot of computing power and many of the other computing resources on demand, which is scalable. And hence, cloud is going to be very key in this journey. So hence, cloud is one of our top bets. And in that motion, the cloud marketplace or the cloud management portal, whatever we call it, is going to be pivotal, because there is a bunch of initiatives that we have taken which are all driven through that platform. To start with, again, in line with our overarching philosophy, which is about simplifying this journey to the cloud, we wanted to simplify the commerce on the platform. So we have built this platform grounds up, taking into consideration feedbacks that we have been constantly getting from the users, our customers. So we made provisioning very easy. We made subscription management very simple. We gave them a single pane of glass to manage all their subscriptions. So all these were dynamic pricing, so to speak. All these were done keeping in mind the ease of usage and commerce by our partners or customers. The second thing that we wanted to achieve there was, in the new reality, if you look at it, it's an ecosystem of collaboration, and hence you will see a lot of different specialized partners different service providers, different application providers, different hyperscalers and their platforms, they all come together to help solve a specific problem of the customer. That's all customer obsession is all about, and they are also focusing together to give that outcome, the desirable outcome to the customers. So we see a role of Redington in this new reality, or anybody who is playing in the same space like we do, in becoming an aggregator of all these services. So the second thing that we have done on the platform is, we have created these service catalogs. We are publishing them, where we have our own services being published and released on the platform. We are getting our partners and taking their services, publishing them on the platform, thereby helping take their services to the different regions. So we are basically leveraging our reach both in terms of the market and also in terms of the customer segments. The third area which is very promising is our engagement with the set of ISV communities. Many of them are digital natives. There are very, very interesting offerings which our ISV partners are bringing on to the table. But their expectation is very simple. They know how to build their product, improve their product, take it to the market. But what they want from us are two things. One is help them increase their customer base, because we are present in multiple territories. We work with a huge set of partners and customers, so we can take their offerings to the market. We are leveraging our platform to do that, because their offerings are getting published on the platform. We call that ISV Hub. The second thing they want us to do is help them manage their infrastructure. So what these digital native ISVs, they say is, they want to focus on building and improving their products. If they more and more energy, time and investment they want to put in writing a better algorithm for their products, so that they can improve drastically their products. Whereas they want our help in helping in managing the infrastructure for them, where these applications will be hosted. The other area, of course, is there are very interesting offerings of some of the legacy ISVs who have, let's say, traditional applications which are hosted on premise. Now they look for our support and help in SaaSify those, for example, SaaSifying those applications and help them cloud ready. So that is another area, and we are using our platform in many of these different ways to take the cloud practice to the next level. So as you know, over the years, we have built a very, very strong portfolio of products and offerings that we take to the market. In each and every silo and category, namely cloud, infrastructure, be it compute or network, in data science and analytics, and very importantly, a very vast security portfolio. So this has happened over a period of time. In each of these categories, we possibly work with, on the one hand, the biggest and the largest names that you would come across. On the other hand, we also work with a vast set of very niche providers in these areas, because these are all very evolving areas in many ways. So while we work with the large hyperscalers to the behemoths of the big vendors that we come across, we also have made significant investment in building a portfolio of very niche vendors who are solving very niche specific problems, but in a very interesting way.